Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to NovaStar, and I'm Robinson from NovaStar Europe team. Today, I'll be very glad to introduce our 5G AK solution. As you can see from backside, this is we display 5G AK UAG LED display solution. We have bring our new technology here, which is include one new controller. It is 8K controller, and also one receiving card and one new software. Come closer, I will show you here. This is our 8K controller named CX80 Pro. As you can see from here, this is the front face. This is a touch screen. You can do some operation. And also in the back side, we have designed the modular design. So that means you are able to have two options to choose what you needed. For example, one of the options is we support HDMI 2.1 and also DP 1.4. And the other second option is you'll be able to choose 4x HDMI 2.0 and 4x 12G SDI. Plus, we also have 40G optical fiber options. So that will be help to solve your long distance project. So this is our CX80 Pro controllers. We also have the new receiving card. For example, as you can see here, this is our 5G receiving card, which is named CA50E with 5G bandwidth, which is increased a lot for loading capacity, will help you to load more cabinets in your projects. And also, by the way, as you can see here, this LCD shows our new software named VMP, which is stand for Vision Management Platform. With this software, you are able to do a lot of things. For example, you are able to do the color management like a 14-channel color correction and 3D LUTs and the color curve. And also you are able to do offline design. So it will be very easily and user-friendly, newly designed software. So this is the total solution for our 5G 8K solution. Include one software, one controller, and one receiving card. I hope you enjoy my introduction. Thank you.